Good morning. This is like the earliest I've woken up. Well, actually no, I woke up at 6 and I just kind of stayed in bed for like an hour and now I'm, awake. I usually like stay in bed. I have my lesson at 9 o'clock today. It is almost 8 and I want to get to school so I can practice, warm up, all that fun stuff. Be a responsible person or be a productive violinist today. Right now I'm just making my bed with one hand. Yeah, that's a skill. And I'm gonna get ready for the day, head to school. Kind of want to do some makeup today. I don't know, at least some eyeliner, but we'll see. But that's pretty much the plan. Go to school, go to practice, do school things, and that's what I'm gonna do. Later I kind of want to talk about my opinions on the whole Jake Paul, Shane Dawson thing, because I just watched that last night. I'm gonna rewatch it now while I'm getting ready for school, and I don't know, I think it's interesting and I kind of want to think about it and talk more about it. So yeah, not like that affects me, but it's pretty interesting and just kind of want to, share my opinion on it. That's about it. So yes, that'll be later. But first, okay, I think this is going to be today's outfit. Just this shirt. Believe there's good in the world, and then it also says like be the good in the world, and a skirt. Both are from Torrid because that's where I get all my clothes. Hello everyone, I am back home. My makeup is off, and yeah, that is my day. It was kind of weird. I didn't really vlog anything during the day, and yeah, I'm just really bad at that. It's hard for me to vlog at school because I'm not really used to people like staring at me, especially at school, and I don't know, I just get really self-conscious and I'm still getting used to that. But anyway, my thoughts on the whole Jake Paul, Shane Dawson series, or the Shane Dawson series about Jake Paul. So I watched the first episode yesterday. It's the only episode that's released, and I think it's really interesting. I'm really excited to see where it goes. I'm not a fan of Jake Paul or Logan Paul. I kind of had a run-in with them. So when I went to VidCon in 2017, and I forgot which one of the Paul brothers was there. I don't know. It was Logan. Was it Logan? Was it Jake? I think it was Logan. I'm not totally sure. But I was at VidCon 2017. So there was a story where he ran inside the Anaheim Convention Center and like got tackled by guards or something. I don't know. But anyway, there was this huge, massive mob of people, and so I was on the second floor where at this time all the creator panels were, and so I was at a creator panel seeing what everything's going on, and then I wanted to go back to my hotel because I was tired, and so I was on the top. I saw the mob and I didn't know where everything was, and I just kind of really wanted to go back to my hotel because I was tired and I didn't really register what was going on. And so I went on this escalator and went down, and then I started to see the mob form even more, and I didn't think it was that bad. And so when I went into it, there was just a lot of people and it was crazy. And I don't know, that whole event, later on I saw like the stories that came out of it, that this person like went into the fountain and went inside and got tackled. I don't know the whole story, but anyway, I was there. I didn't see much of it. I just got affected by the mob of that whole incident. But anyway, that was my experience with that. But anyway, back to the Shane Dawson video. I'm really interested into seeing like his research into the psychology of it, or like looking into like is he going to be a sociopath and that sort of thing. I know most people really aren't, unless they're like a licensed psychologist, they're really not, qualified to say whether or not someone is a sociopath or not, and they won't really know that. And I don't know, I think, in my opinion, from what I've heard, I think that Jake kind of is on that spectrum of a sociopath, possibly. but that's just what I think and just from what I've heard. Of course, like, sorry, text message. Of course, like, again, I'm not qualified to say anything. That's just my opinion on that. And I'm not really a fan of him. And although I'm not a fan of Jake Paul, I am still interested in watching this series. And I don't know, because I'm not a fan, I always like stop myself, because every time I hear something crazy that goes on with the Paul brothers, I don't like watch their videos, and I'm trying not to give them that, you know, satisfaction of watching their videos, to give them views and ads and all of that. So it's just going to be interesting, and I'm just like really interested to see what goes on behind it, and I'd rather give Shane that platform rather than the Paul brothers or Jake Paul, if that makes any sense. I don't know. But yeah, but I really like how the series is being done so far. It's just the first episode. I really like how he's introducing it. He addressed his fans and fans of Jake Paul as well, and just kind of like introduced what he is doing, and kind of going into the psychological issues or psychological side of it. So yeah, the format's really interesting, and that's just kind of what I think. So, but yeah, I don't know. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the whole series thing? I don't know if my opinion's really that, I don't know. I don't think my opinion's that credible or not credible, like valid. It's just from what I've seen and what I just take from the whole video. I think it was well done. I love the editing, all that side, and also the content is pretty interesting. So yeah, that's just my take on it. If you guys have a different take, that's totally okay. And yeah, anyway, but that's pretty much it. I just got a text message from my friend. I'm asking him about what he thinks about it, and it's pretty, he just said he doesn't follow Shane. Great, thanks friend. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a weird day. I'm gonna try getting into more vlogging and stuff. It's really fun. I really enjoy talking to pretend people who possibly will watch this. I don't know, it's like I'm talking to a camera in hopes that someone will watch this, because I don't know, I just like communicating. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.